Hello everyone, my name is Justice Selassie Jiwonu, a cybersecurity student group I, and welcome to this short C++ programming lesson. In today's lesson, I'll show you how to write your first C++ program known as Hello World. We'll also look at the basic structure of a C++ program and explain each line or what each line means. So we'll start with the include IOStream. So yes, an individual may ask, what is the meaning of include arrow stream in C++? So we say the include arrow stream allows us or allows an individual to use inputs and outputs in C++. So we move to the next line, which is the standard library, which is using namespace std. So we go using namespace std. Also, when doing writing a C++ code, you need to be very careful with your spellings and the correct words used in C++. So yes, we say what's the meaning of using namespace std in C++. So this saves us from writing std every time we use things like cout. So we move to the next line, which is the int main. The int main with a parenthesis and a curly brace. So yes, in between the curly brace, or okay, let's explain what an int main is. So the int main, this is the main function every C++ program starts running. So yes, before you start running an every C++ program, it starts from here, the function you name, and we've named ours as int main. Yes, so that's our function we are using in today's lesson. So we move on to the next line. So over here, we are outputting our instruction, or we are giving in our instruction to the C++ program. So we would use the hello world, which is the very first basic structure for C++. So cout hello world. So we are ending this line with the end line and a semicolon, or we terminate. So we move to the end line, to the last line, which is the return zero. So someone may ask, why did I make a cout in the end line? So this line prints, this line we just made, the cout hello world. This line will print hello world to the screen, where cout also means console out, and the end line ends the line, which is hello world. That's it. So we move to the end, this last line, which is return zero. So someone may ask, what's the meaning of return and what's the meaning of this zero? So this ends the program and and returns zero, which means the program would run successfully. Yes, so we would terminate it, else it wouldn't run successfully. So let's run and see our outputs. Okay, so we can see here it printed hello world on our screen. So code execution was successful. So this will bring us to the end of our first lesson.